There was a time when simply crossing 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours guaranteed a paycheck. Today, millions of creators reach those exact milestones, submit their application for the partner program, and are immediately denied. The rejection stems from a basic misunderstanding of the platform's mechanics. New creators are treating raw audience growth as proof of policy compliance. This chart shows the reality of the 2026 system, the dual mandate. Every creator must navigate two parallel paths. One path is winning the recommendation algorithm to get traffic. The other is passing a rigorous human policy review. If your content architecture fails that compliance check, your channel is functionally worthless. Optimizing for views doesn't matter if you can't pass the final audit. Passing the monetization gate requires surviving a thorough, human-driven audit of your channel's entire footprint, rather than just appeasing an algorithm. Reviewers are specifically hunting for lazy duplication and undisclosed AI generation. If you use artificial intelligence to script or generate visuals, the platform requires absolute transparency. This equation illustrates the value-add rule. You cannot simply compile raw footage. You must combine those clips with your own voiceover and structural analysis. Remove that original analysis, and the system automatically issues a reused content flag. The media is rejected. The boundaries for copyright are absolute. Using unlicensed music, television shows, or movie clips guarantees immediate claims or channel strikes. You also have to maintain a baseline of advertiser friendliness by strictly adhering to the community guidelines. That means zero tolerance for hate speech, violence, or misleading information. These rules act as a hard barrier. Without strict compliance to these policies, no amount of viral velocity will ever convert into actual revenue. Once you've secured your compliance strategy, you still need to generate the traffic required to make the channel viable. Capturing algorithmic discovery starts with basic search engine optimization. You need highly searchable titles paired with clear, high-quality thumbnails. This graph maps clickbait. Misleading titles create a sharp spike in views, but the algorithm detects dissatisfaction and suppresses it to zero. Conversely, accurate packaging does the opposite. Delivering on your title trains the algorithm to push your content, leading to steady, compounding growth. To maintain that growth within the 2026 ecosystem, you need a highly consistent weekly publishing schedule. You should leverage the structural synergy between different video formats. Use YouTube Shorts to cast a wide net for broad reach, while relying on long-form videos to cultivate a deep, lasting connection with those new viewers. Maintain an active feedback loop by engaging directly with viewer comments and letting channel analytics dictate your future content decisions. Ethical, consistent growth strategies build a loyal viewership that the algorithm trusts. This creates a sustainable source of traffic that perfectly aligns with YouTube's monetization rules. The early, chaotic days of the platform are over. YouTube now evaluates individual channels with the same intense scrutiny applied to professional media companies. You cannot build an audience first and try to fix your compliance issues later. Originality and policy adherence have to be built into your foundation from day one. The payoff for this rigid structure is a frictionless, predictable approval process when you finally submit your application for the partner program. Sustainable success in 2026 requires abandoning algorithmic shortcuts and choosing to build genuine, compliant value from the ground up.